What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life, and this is something that I've been very excited for and excited to do. Finally got the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in the house. Got it a little bit early. It's not the 17th. And as you can see, we got this black box here. There's a couple different colors on the box because I got a Samsung exclusive color. This is an unlocked Galaxy S23 Ultra. I got the Graphite. As you can see, we got the black box, so let's just get straight to the unboxing. So as you can see, nice black box. We got the embossed Samsung on one side, nothing on the top, and we got Galaxy S23 Ultra on the other side. On the bottom will be my information, so we're not going to look at the bottom. Now, as you can see, this contains the S23 Ultra, S Pen SIM ejection tool, USB-C to USB-C, and quick start guide. That's it. You know these unboxings is definitely light, guys. Here we go. Let's get it out of the box, guys. So it looks like you got some books and stuff over here. You got the phone over here. So you got your quick start guide and your Type-C to Type-C cable. This should be the Graphite right here, guys. Let's see what this Graphite is looking like. Oh, this is gorgeous, guys. I really like this. This is the Graphite colorway. It's got a matte finish to it. It's got black rails. I mean, this is a gorgeous device, something truly different. I was really waiting on this 512 gigabytes. I didn't know how this Graphite was gonna hit, but this is definitely something different. Got like almost like a gunmetal gray type look to it. Nice big cameras on the back. Really feeling this. I mean, it does look like the S22 Ultra, but it's just a few different things. These black frame rails hitting hard, this Graphite hitting hard, and these cameras are definitely boasted up this year. Let's go ahead and remove the front. There we go. Yeah, this is definitely, I'm definitely impressed with this color. I'm glad I waited for this color. A lot of times I wouldn't have waited. I would have made sure I would have got the safe color that I knew was going to be ready, like a black or white, something simple. But I took my time this year and said I'm gonna order a specialized color because I want one even if it come late. But look at these black frame rails, guys. This is a gorgeous device. I really like how this look. This is the best looking color I've seen so far. As you can see on the bottom, all black everything, S Pen, speaker, microphone, Type-C, SIM card, basically all black, matching the rails. I like that. The left side of the device is naked, nothing on there, no buttons, just black aluminum. As you can see on the right side, we got the power button and the volume rocker. Really kinda high. The volume rocker is kinda high, but look how those cameras are sticking out, guys. We definitely need some good cases for this thing. These cameras are definitely bigger this year and taking up more space and definitely protruding further. And on the top, we just got a noise canceling microphone going on up here. Nice black aluminum frame. So we're gonna power this thing on. I'm gonna put my SIM card in here, do a little setup, and I'm gonna give y'all like a little early first impressions, or early just to see what the device look like out of the box. Okay, guys, so basically I got the device on my network, Verizon SIM card installed, and it's basically setting itself up. I'm not really gonna get into any early first impressions outside of the build and obvious things, because this device, guys, is mostly enhancements that's inside that take some testing. I'm not gonna jump out there and make a lot of claims. I'm gonna slow roll this one. I'm gonna really investigate this one because this is like one of my favorite devices. As you know, I've been a Note user since the Note 3. I done had every Note. I always said if I had one phone, would be the Note, and this is what I consider the Note in 2023. One thing I really did notice is the size, guys. These things have been flattened, even though they still have a small curve to them, and it's kind of flattening out the display, and I really like it. I don't want them to go full box like on the iPhone, because those edges, those 90-degree edges on the iPhone hurt my hands. I like how they iterated their hair, made it flat on the sides, but still just a little bit curved, just to make it feel really good in the hands. And I'm definitely gonna put some protection on these cameras. The way that they're poking out for real, guys. You sit it on the table, it's like you think something is sitting under your phone. So definitely need to protect it on those. But I just can't get over this gray, guys. I love this gray. I love these matte. I love this black. It's not a matte black. It's like a gloss black, but it don't look to be picking up a lot of fingerprints, guys. I like this color combination right here. I think this is the first time I've seen this combination. I haven't seen any YouTubers. I've seen pictures and things, but like this is the first time I got a really good look at this graphite. If you ordered that graphite, you definitely going to get a nice little treat when you open the box. One more thing I will say, guys, this fingerprint scanner's got a larger landing pad, it seems like, and I mean, it already worked really good. It was already ultrasonic on my S23 Ultra, but it just is like a bigger area, and it's just you don't have to be as direct. Is a lot more error. You can think you messed up and the phone is still unlocked because the area is so big around the fingerprint scanner from what I'm seeing. But like I said, guys, I'm just letting y'all know it's here. We're gonna really get into this thing the right way over here on BG Tech Life. But as you can see, I just wanted to show y'all, I wanted to unbox it with y'all and show y'all this graphite and how it look in case you in the market for S23 Ultra, so you can see the different colorways and things of that nature. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. This is my S23 Ultra. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed if you want to see a lot of coverage on this device, a lot of accessories and things of that nature. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.